What is the most beautiful sound you have heard? JK?
Tawan and with the old other people screaming.
Really? When was
I
it?
don't know what he's talking about.
All right, this is the most beautiful one I know.
Can we go even further than use the table as the target?
Use table as target?
That's like really hard.
But it doesn't sound so good. Like, how good it is.
It sounds better than the bottle, like the champagne bottle.
What do you think of the sound? Was it
It
good?
truly is the best sound.
The best one?
I think KK's voice is the best sound.
Like, how good it is. I hate you, JK.
To do it for those points.
You hit me so hard. So many times. I accidentally discovered how to change the pitch of that sound. And then I used what we learned in the last lecture to make this clip.